This is a question from one of my YouTube followers. They have a data set and they have a budgeted column, column C, and then they have the amount that they actually spent. My example is column D. They want to select the entire row if they have spent more than the budget. This is going to be conditional formatting. I'm actually going to do this on Excel for the web. Easy to do it in the Excel desktop too. Let's dive in right now. So, two different easy ways to do this. I'm just going to do it the way they asked for. Notice I don't have a difference column, which would have been the budget minus the spent. And if you spent more than the budget, you'd have a negative amount. Either way, step one is to select all the data except the header row. So I went from A2 to F2. Conditional formatting, I'm on the Home tab. It's on the Home tab on the desktop. I'm going to go and write a new rule. Because I'm in the web version, it pops over in a task pane on the right, and it says A2 through F2, and you can pick these different formats. But running across the top here, what I'm looking for is the function, and that would be fx. The formula that I'm going to use, I'm going to put in equal $D2 is greater than $C2. Those dollar signs in front of the letter D and C are called mixed reference. So don't change the column. Keep looking in column D, keep looking in column C, but the rows can change. What color do you want to put this in? I'm going to put it in yellow. You pick whatever color you want. When I hit done, let's see if it works. I'm going to close that out. It sure did. 3150 is over 3,000 right there. Let's test this. Let's make cell D2 5001. It went yellow. Let's make cell D3 2950. The yellow background turned off. The other way you could have done it, and I actually suggested this, is add a column just to show the difference. And let's see if formula completion works here, and it does. $1. And you could have based the conditional formatting instead of D2 greater than C2, you could have based it on column E, whether it was greater than less than zero. You could have done that also. Either way it works. You pick whatever color you want. So that is the answer to the question from my user. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.